Hope y'all can hear me. Story time. When I say be better than me, that's what I mean. I tell my clients all the time, don't be like me, be better than me. Do what I tell you to do, not what I do. I usually shampoo my hair at the salon, right? Yesterday, I did not have time. So I ended up doing it at home. No overhead at home. Regular blow dryer, red hair at the salon. I just was not about to stand in that bathroom and blow dry my hair. So I did not. I retwisted. Towel dried real good. Pulled it to the back in a ponytail. Slept with it loose. Tied the front down. Put the fan on. Please be better than me. When I tell y'all my hair stink. Now, my man smelled it. He said it smells fine to him because I sprayed his hair perfume I have. But Locticians know when you have not dried your hair properly, and baby, this hair stinks. And the center is still wet, so that's why I'm under the dryer until my first client comes. But y'all, please don't go to bed with no wet hair. I know better, but I just didn't have time. I've tried to mask the smell, but it looks like I'm gonna end up rewashing it. But I gotta get through today. Be better.